CEO of HES Solar. We're fighting for our jobs, we're fighting for our industry, and we need the PUC to open their eyes and the governor to open his eyes and say, hey, you know what? We're not willing to, step backwards in this state. California's been on the front lines of the solar movement, really globally. And something like this would just be a huge step backwards and really a waste of all the investment that the state has put into this industry and that individual business owners and homeowners have put into it. People as are willing to email the governor, tweet the governor, email the CPUC, tweet the CPUC. They have a section on their website for public comments and just say how displeased they are with what the PUC is trying to do. And then we want the PUC to reject this proposed decision they've come out with and come up with a new solution that will work and keep our jobs and our industry sustained.